What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we made $604 day trading Tesla. We made $533. Walmart made $70. That puts us up year to date $79,443. If you look at my biggest winners, Intel around almost $8,000. You have Tesla around $12,000. UNH, I've made over $27,000 trading them. So this is just a good example of you can day trade the same stocks over and over and still do very well, up almost $80,000 by August of 25. So we are doing excellent. We love that. Next, take a look at UNH. This stock, I've been calling this out. It is going to the moon. Warren Buffett just bought shares. That was in the filings recently. And look at this, 270 all the way up to 298. I have shares. Let's take a look at the position. So I own United Health in two accounts. The first account is Robinhood. If you check out the bottom on here, portfolio diversity, 99.97%. We have 10 shares, basically $2,600 invested. We are up $317 in one account. That's 11%. Let me show you the fidelity. Now, if you're a member of the YouTube channel, you will have noticed that I've been buying United Healthcare in the Fidelity YouTube portfolio. We have over $6,300 invested with a $280 cost basis. This hasn't updated yet because it is around $298 per share. But now the last price that it updated was around $271. So we got to add, 22 times another 28 points. We're going to be up a nice penny on this. Excellent buys, excellent entries, dollar cost averaging in these lows. This is definitely going to be a big catalyst for UNH. It's already up over 10%. But just looking at year to date, United Healthcare has definitely had a rough start, going from $605 all the way down to $234 per share. But the next realistic level that it needs to break to continue being bullish is going to be $327 per share. That is a level that if it gets above this, it's going to go bananas, and we're going to have an easy move right up to most likely $450 per share. If it can break above 330, I would not see any issues going to 430 to 450. That's another 35%. If you just do the math on that move, we've been accumulating shares. We have a 268 cost basis in Robinhood. Back up to 450 is our target goal. That's a 66% return. And then also you have 280 in the Fidelity account. Back up to 450 is our goal at 60% returns. That's what we're looking for with UNH. Collect that dividend in the meantime. If you hadn't had a chance, check out the WAP in the link above. I'll show you in the next clip. You get direct chat with me. You get to join a private community of investors where you get to see my portfolio buys and sells in real time. You get to direct chat with me. We go over chart analysis. You get to learn the technical analysis, whether you want beginner's courses, the Fidelity and crypto buys and sells, so you can see exactly what we're doing. It's a low monthly cost, 10 bucks a month, 5 out of 5 reviews. Definitely come check it out. Really appreciate you guys tuning into the channel. And if you have any questions, just send me a message in the YouTube comments or just message me within the WAP. Once again, on the YouTube channel, just click under links and you'll get the access to the WAP right here. All you have to do is just click 6 more links and then boom, WAP right here. Definitely come and check it out. Appreciate you channel members. We've been calling out UNH and we're finally getting paid for it. It's nice to get that recognition. Warren Buffett buying some shares. Members only. Be sure to check out the YouTube portfolio, the membership and stock trade ideas that I've been watching. We post those all the time for you guys. And definitely check out the most popular videos with the automatic investments on Fidelity, FSELX, the semiconductor ETF, and there's so much more. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. For those of you that stuck around to the end of the video, thank you so much. Just want to show you, we bought those April lows up 27% in FSPGX, $16,000. Look at Microsoft, we're up $1,700, 46% on this, and Tesla up 52.99%. Buying the dips, excellent trades. Just wanted you guys to see that. All through the WAP, we work together. We try to find these dips, and it's paying off big time for the YouTube portfolio.